Jai Jinendra, Namaste, Vanakkam, welcome back. So today, 4th of September, right? We are here to take out the levels of index, that is Sensex, Nifty, Bank Nifty for 5th of September. Before moving ahead, let us review the levels which we marked yesterday and how it played. To begin with, Nifty. I have already changed up the marking of the levels for tomorrow. So a quick summary, just a verbal summary. 24,500 was the last level which 25,000 was the last level which we are looking out for, but we opened above our third level. Right? Yesterday we marked up the level which we opened above our third level. This one was the level. Right, 24,933 was the level. We opened up above that. I said very clearly on the third scenario, if we open gap up, what we should do, you have to wait for 15 minutes and then on setting up the direction and something, seeing up the direction and the OIs and other tools, you can trade after 15 minutes, not before that, right? So we opened up a gap up, but we did not sustain 15 minute. This is 15-minute candle. It's a red candle. We came back inside our resistance. So over here, if you would have gone in the money options trade, then it would have beautifully played. This one was our first target. This over here you could not have traded. The second trade came over here, right? Downside. Right, there were many trades in between, but the level, I'm talking about the levels trade. Let us quickly check on Sensex. That would help you to understand. We opened gap up, we did not sustain. Resistance was acting as a support, but once that support broke, we came down and we continued coming down till the initial resistance, that was 80, this black line, 80,734, right? So we got a good trade from 81,150 to 80,734, a good 500 points movement. Yeah, options traders, you must have booked over here or here or here, but in between green candles would have hitted your trailing stop losses in the premiums. That is okay with it. If you see, now you have to understand, as a trader, nobody has caught the bottom and the top. Just trade when the setup comes, and once your trailing stop loss hits, it hits. That's all. We have to accept it. Fine. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, all the levels played very well today. So let us start marking up for tomorrow's levels. Right? Nifty I have already marked. Yeah, this is the Nifty levels. Can you see? So initial resistance, see, is at 24,851, but we are currently below our blue line. 24,788 is the blue line. We are below that. So we are, and support is at 24,686. So tomorrow, what is the plan and what should be done? Let us quickly summarize the levels, then we will see the three scenarios: flat opening, gap up opening, and gap down opening, right? 24,686 is your support. If that breaks, 24,602 is the next support. And if that breaks with a red candle, 24,600, you can see for 24,520 levels for tomorrow, right? Below 24,520, as I said earlier also, 24,500 will be a very great support for Nifty. And if that breaks, obviously 24,400 is the last support for this week. And if that also breaks, then obviously a big downside we can see. Till that time, just play level to level, right? And this blue line, that is 24,788 is the line. if I open gap up, this will be my resistance 24,850. If the resistance breaks, 24,930 will be the next level, and after that 25,000 will be the last level. Fine. Now we have discussed about the gap up also and gap down also. If we are opening flat, do not trade in between 24,686 and 24,788. Am I very clear on that count? If I open gap up, obviously on the formation of candles, you can take up the trade with the help of the other tools also. See, it is not only this level is to try to make you understand where the trade can come, and the next level is your first target, and the next below that level or above that level is your second target. That's all. Once on the spot you are achieving the targets, even if you are not achieving the targets in premiums, you have to book. That is what the motto is. Okay, so tomorrow let us see the PCR also, so that will help us. Even yesterday we discussed about the PCR, right? It was at 1.26, and at a gap up opening we moved to one more. We must have moved to more than 1.5, and once it is overbought, obviously it has to come down, right? Okay, open interest Nifty is at 0.7, right? So 25,000 is the level again. Fine. What about the global markets? Global markets, Dow is positive, Nasdaq also a little bit positive, GIFT Nifty flat. Fine. Morning you have to check it out what it is happening. See, this is just for your understanding, okay, what the globals are doing and what is the impact which you can have in the local market, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty and Sensex, right? That is our market, right? And FII, DI, that is I used to see stock edge. FII, DI activity. Okay, Nifty 50 got an inflation of 10,400 crores. Okay. DI bought 2003. This is for today 2233, and FII sold only 106 crores. Fine. So what is this scenario telling you, and where the okay calls, right? Fine. So tomorrow let us see where it opens, and then we will decide what direction we should take and at what levels we have to start the trade. But you can mark these levels and it plays beautifully well. Let us now move on to the Sensex. Sensex, I am not planning to take any trades for tomorrow because Sensex today was an expiry. Tomorrow premium meeting will be the core thing, right? So but any which way we have to mark the levels, right? So this is going to be my resistance, a midway. This one is going to be my support, and then if that support breaks, this will be my first level and this will be my second level. Got it? Upside, yes, this is the level. Numbers you have to check it out. I am not going to go ahead with the numbers. मतलब अब तक तो इतना used to हो गए हो मुझे कि you must be understanding कि भाई ये level पे आने के बाद काम कैसे करना है. What is the if you are into a long position, this is your first target, second target, third target, and fourth target, right? So we are currently over here, we are on a 550 EMA. We can expect a bounce, but flat opening or an upside opening, whatever it is, we just have to wait for the candle formation to get completed, and then we will start the trade. Till that time, no trade. Since it is Friday it is a tendency to keep flat and eat the premiums, right? That is the maximum times which I have seen. But sometimes we get movements also, and that movements are so big that calling up a Friday not to trade is also not correct, right? So you have to look out for the trades. Stay calm for first 15 to 30 minutes, then plan the trades from level to level. In Sensex also. Bank Nifty, yes, this is going to be my resistance. For tomorrow, this is going to be my level to check out. And this is going to be my support, right? Can you see? Yeah. Bank Nifty support is at 23,970 levels, and midway, that is 54,124. If I am opening above that, the situation will still be buy on dips till, and you have to play level to level, and you have to trail within 15-20 points. Once you get into the profits, you have to trail immediately. That is what I'm seeing for tomorrow. Big movements we can expect only after these two black lines are taken out. Till that time, no. That is 54,285 and 53,970. You got me? In between, if you are there, then obviously very skillful traders have to trade. Otherwise, you do not have to. Stay away till it gets broken. Great. This is for Bank Nifty. Nifty 24,780. I think so. We have discussed. Fine. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex levels have been marked. You can take a screenshot and you can plan the levels in your charts also. Fine. So let us start off with a review of our equity holdings. Right. Dixon. Yes. Still okay. Let me open up the Excel sheet, which Excel daily trade updates. No. Where is that Excel? Trade snipper. Hero Motoko 5,100 is our exit price, and 5,500 was our target, which was achieved today. So all other holders who are looking out for 5,500 targets, it is achieved, right? Long-term holdings, that is another scenario. Persistent is still on a hold. HCL is also on hold. HCL, we are below our cost right now. Pre-call at the cost. BDL below our cost. Asian Paints little bit above cost. IGIL is also above cost. Let me keep this as short one. Okay, now I think so this will be a clear thing, wherein you can try to understand the current price is over here, and this is our entry levels. Nice. Asian Paints 2507 is the entry level, 2568 is the current. Here we are into profits, but not target not yet achieved. IGIL 336 is our entry, and where is IGIL? Oh, 342 is the current price. It is running. We have portfolio is in profits. Mothers and Sumi 94 is the entry. It is still at the entry level. Reliance 1414 is the entry. We are below our entry. Around 60 points we are below our entry. NMDC, I think so we missed today by just 30 paise. I think so. Let me see. The target in NMDC is 75.5, but today it opened at 74.9, right? 60 paise. We missed our target by 60 paise. Many of you must have booked in the midway itself. That is a good sign. Even I did not post the booking scenario, but yes, you can book it, and because we have a demand zone at 71 rupees, so coming below 2 rupees is almost 1200 rupees into minus, so it is better to book, right? Excel sheet, yeah. So TCS, we are at our cost. NMDC we have discussed. Mothers and Sumi. Dixon 17100 is our entry level. 19,000 is the target, but we are still away from our target. We are 17,850 is the current market price. Oro Pharma 1080 is entry. Oro Pharma, we are below the, our this, right? We can add up, but I want a one candle to come up above 50 EMA on a daily, 5 EMA on a daily. Let me check it. Give me this. Yeah. You get me? We have come above, but 20 EMA was a rejection. We can add up a little bit of over here with the stop loss obviously at the same levels which we have kept here. Oro Pharma same 982 level is the stop loss. Okay. So these are the holdings. All other holdings remains same. Hero Motoko is the only thing which we have booked. This is after I started recording and giving you the equities. We have other holdings also which we have we are trailing into the profits, and some which we have booked the SLs also. So do not worry, afresh for everyone. This is the portfolio which we are started managing out after recording the videos. Fine. Tomorrow, stay safe, plan your trades. Once the setup comes, it should be within your risk limits. Have a great profitable day for tomorrow. See you soon.